Come back to our channel for today. Lesson box. Password is there.
Wow, it's
Once you bring the other,
okay.
once you bring this, it will open.
Okay, so it's from who?
Mommy,
Oh, so that's one of the 4
mommy,
gifts of mommy.
mommy, Noemi.
Oh.
What's it now?
Wow.
Daddy Ninong and Mom Noemi.
Yes. Oh,
Shout out, Mom Noemi, and shout out, Daddy Ninong. Shout out.
yeah.
Shout out.
Open it na.
Okay, guys, first open this. Pineapple can open. Then,
Okay, Ate will open.
because it has, I think.
Okay. Are you excited?
Let's see. We check first what is inside.
Oh, let's check first what's inside, one by one. So this is okay.
Why this is small? It's going to get screwdriver.
So this is the cash register itself.
It can wet.
Yeah. Yeah, and this is the thing. Oh.
This on,
Yung sa ano.
this on. Totoong calculator siya.
Oh.
Then you put the credit card here.
Oh.
I know.
Oh, that's the scanner, huh?
I will need the
This is the scanner.
show the money. I need to put this pala there.
Ate will put. What is that?
It's for this one.
Oh, it's for the scanner. Oh.
Wait lang, wait. Yun yata. There. Then you're just going to remove it. The credit card is there.
This is the coins. And this is the bills.
Black card.
Oh, Adriel, that's your coin.
Let's put inside
Mm.
na.
Adriel, oh, this is where you put the coins
Then the cash money.
and
Need to fold.
the cash. You need to fold it. And then, you need to close it.
That's the
Wow.
credit card.
So, and this is the credit card. Oh.
Why we need a credit card?
It's lighting. Ito ang calculator.
Mm.
I sell.
Okay, so what is it? One by one. Open it and show me one by one, Adriel. Oh, there you go. Show. Oh, so this is the one you're going. Ice cream. So try to scan it. Oh, try to scan it. Oh, that's ice cream, lollipop. Oh, so how you gonna do it? Okay. Oh, it's pretty, Adriel, huh?
Okay, show this lollipop.
Lollipop. Like somebody will buy to you. And then, how much? $1 million price of ice cream? Oh, no.
So,
Joke. 9.
joke.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Here, open.
Oh. There you go. So that's your bills and coins.
I like coins.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Like on. Oh, It's a real calculator, Adrian.
I turn off the lights. I'm sorry.
So, is it beautiful?
So I'll check.
Oh, check. Yeah, check the price.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Do like this. So, it will be in front of you. Okay.
Get the lollipop.
Ito na.
So, it's beautiful, Adrian, huh? It's on and off. You like it? Wow. Wow.
What's this for?
Wow. So, what you will say, Adrian?
This one is different.
Say.
$1 million.
$1 million lollipop? It's so expensive, huh? So, hold it. Hold it.
Oh, it's so heavy.
It's so heavy? Really?
Yes. Because of something. Because of this one.
So, you happy with your cash register?
It's open.
It's open? Okay, close it.
Close.
There you go.
Why it opens?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Wow.
Guys, I don't know what this.
It's a candy.
No, it's also a lollipop,
It's also a lollipop.
but it's flat.
It's a
But it's flat.
flat.
Yes.
Flat lollipop.
Yes.
And how about this? What is this?
We call it flat lollipop.
It's a flat lollipop.
Sometimes I see this is flat.
Flat.
Look at the green one. It's so this.
And how many flavor of ice cream you have? And you have popsicle too.
What?
I think I will buy some popsicle. Is your popsicle, ice cream, lollipop, and flat lollipop, huh? Okay, I have credit card with me. Huh. So, can I buy? I want the purple ice cream. How much is that?
Same like the cards.
Okay, how much?
I'll just check.
Okay, you do check. Wow. Wow, you know, huh? You will check? Okay, check it. Oh. It's... Put it this way because you're the cashier, eh. Okay. How much is that, miss? Give it... How much?
It seems like the card.
Okay. Give me discount, okay? I will get that. This is my payment. Give me the ice cream. This is my card. Okay, I pay. Here, baby. Swipe it here. Yeah, there. There you go. Yeah.
To those who not subscribe,
Please?
please subscribe my channel.
Yeah, like and share.
What's this done?
God bless everyone.
God bless anyone.
And love, love, love.
Blah blah blah.
Wow.